Hello and welcome back to Bake at Work. Tonight we're going to make apple and cinnamon soda bread loaves. "600 grams of flour, 35 grams of baking powder, 4 grams of cinnamon, 6 grams of salt, 120 grams of sugar." So just like all the other weeks, just mix that for about 20-30 seconds till it's evenly dispersed. Then we'll add the apples, 120 grams of apples, roughly about 2 apples, but it's 120 grams. Mix that through. 1 pint of buttermilk and 120 grams of melted butter. So just mix it through till there's no dry ingredients. So once it's mixed, no dry ingredients left, we're just going to put it into loaf tins. You can also put it into flat round tins if you want. So about 440. And I'm just going to put a slice of apple on it. So just make sure the tins are greased as well, so before you put the mix in. Okay, so once you have the tins weighed up, you just put them in the oven. So it's 210 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. So always remember, through the bake, turn them in the oven so they get an even bake. Okay folks, so that's it, the apple and cinnamon soda bread loaves. So enjoy your baking and keep sending plenty of photos.